President Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali lauds the US $35 million investment by GUYSONS and K+B Investments Inc. at Enmore, East Coast Demerara. The company will be establishing oil field manufacturing facilities at the former Enmore estate that will retain sugar workers and other persons. This single investment will create over 500 jobs. The announcement was made on day 2 of the International Energy Conference and Expo being held at the Marriott Hotel, Georgetown. The initial investment by the company is US $7 million and will create 150 jobs this year alone.
These are highly skilled jobs. These are skilled jobs that are being created. And the company has committed to commence that process almost immediately, to have the eventual 500 employees trained and ready to take up jobs within the company.
Dr. Ali said the investment follows several meetings between government and the investors to ensure Guyanese benefit.
The region has a huge yachting industry. Cruise ships come here all the time. We have to start getting into those markets. What oil and gas does is it gives us the accelerated momentum to get there, because you have the sophisticated investors and technology now interested. But we have to push them now with local companies to take us beyond oil and gas, to take us to the potential markets that exist.
Meanwhile, Senior Minister in the Office of the President with responsibility for finance, Dr. Ashni Singh, said the investment is government correcting the wrongs that were done to sugar-producing communities.
This partnership between GUYSONS and GKB represents a good example of what can be achieved true to the spirit of the local content framework that we have established, leveraging local and domestic expertise and capital, but also mobilizing international expertise and partnerships such as that which is found in K+B. And so this partnership is what we would like to see multiplied and replicated many times over.
Chief Executive Officer of GUYSONS K+B Industries, Faisal Khan, and Vice President of Sales, Nick Becknell, both expressed their commitment to creating sustainable jobs.